Hello, and welcome to drillingcontractor.org. I'm Kelly Ainsworth here at the 2016 IADC SPE Drilling Conference in Fort Worth. NOV recently partnered with Hess to reduce cycle times in the Bakken using the evolved downhole automation system. This project was the subject of a paper earlier today at the conference, and here to tell us more about the project is Tony Pink, Vice President of Dynamic Drilling Solutions at NOV. How are you doing today, Tony?
Hi, Kelly. Very good, thank you very much.
Could you give us some background on the project and some of the goals that Hess and NOV were hoping to achieve?
Yeah, really, back there in 2014, there was a fantastic opportunity in North Dakota that if we deployed an automated drilling system on these multi-well pads that they were drilling up there at the time, we had the opportunity to significantly improve the drilling performance.
And what were some of the main technologies deployed in this project?
So the key here, Kelly, was what we call downhole closed-loop automation. You know, lots of people in our industry talk about surface automation of the machines, but this is really taking data from downhole tools, feeding it up through wired drill pipe, and directly into the rig's control system. So the machines are drilling. So it basically builds autopilot for a drilling rig. So the driller now feels like he's a pilot flying the drilling rig. So it's really cool.
And what were some of the results from the project and some of the lessons learned?
We drilled 19 wells in total, and during that period, we took probably one of the slowest rigs in the fleet to the second fastest. The improvement in drilling performance was between 30 and 35%, so significant performance improvements. There were lots of challenges though, and a lot of those challenges are in the human behavior changes. Yeah, the guys on the rig, initially, struggled with the new technology, but it was really sort of quite heartwarming to see as the company men and the drilling engineers and everyone became familiar with the technology, how the human behavior changed. And what we started to see then was a sort of data-driven aggressiveness. Yeah. So the information was then really telling them how they could push things. So it's not just how the automation was helping the rig drill faster, it was enabling the humans to do their job better. So it's almost like a bit like Toyota. It's getting incredible things out of quite normal people. And that was some of the downsides is we had obviously towards the end of the project the rig knew that it was going to get laid down. That was tough on the people who'd taken a rig from the fastest to the slowest. And then we had real challenges with the directional performance of the wells, keeping the wells from dropping. So the BHAs had a real tendency to drop. We did find a solution in the end to that, and one of the final wells we maintained that section.
And what are some plans for further development of the evolved system?
Fantastically, we actually yesterday picked up a contract in Canada. We're going up there to a field which probably has, again, similar economic opportunity to North Dakota. These are 24 well super pads drilling about an hour south of Grand Prairie. So that's our next one in the US. We probably have 2 projects coming up with EOG, and we have 2 deployments in the North Sea, and we have a string on the ground in Saudi Arabia. The interesting one in Texas is we really have an opportunity here to take some fields that are potentially right on the line at today's prices and maybe make them economic again. The change in what's happened in the last 6 months in the downturn has turned into an opportunity for us in the new technology automation arena, and the phone is literally ringing off the hook at the moment. It's really quite cool.
Well, congratulations on that, and thank you for taking the time to share this technology with us today.
Thanks. I would like to say thanks to Precision Drilling and Hess for the work that they did in enabling us to try this new technology in North Dakota. Thank you very much, Kelly.
And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.